Just like God, Nazareth, I'm fucked up, homie, you fucked up, but if God got us, then we gon' be alright. And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay cut. Bahamas got me looking at you for the face down. I'll make a living in the room with the face down. Scheming, and let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. A pretty pussy and Benjamin is the highlight. I tell my mama I love her, but that's what I like. Lord knows. 20-year old with my Chevy, tell her mother come and get me, reaping everything I sow. So my karma come in heaven, no preliminary hearings on my record. I'm a motherfucking gangster, silence for the record. Tell the world I know it's too late. Boys and girls, I think I'm going crazy. God inside my face is all day. Won't you please believe when I say, wouldn't you know we've been hurt, been down before? Nigga, I'm in the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright.